Guys, good morning. Welcome again to another math video. Pasensya na kung hindi naka-upload kasi bumagyo sa amin Burnout palagi. Ngayon kakabalik lang ng kuryente. And so we go back to solving again. And we'll upload more videos para makahabol sa mga na-miss na topics. Okay, so let's get started. The sum of two consecutive integers is 113. Find the integer. Okay. So the problem is finding the integers. Okay. So solution. Ang solution nito is number 1. Let the integers be n. Okay. Let n. Okay. N. And two consecutive meaning sunodan siya. So the next integer is n plus 1. Okay. So ang solution na natin dyan is may equation na tayo na n plus 1, okay, is equals to 113. So ito yung first integer, ito yung second integer. So let's solve, let's simplify. So magiging siyang 2n plus 1, okay, is equals to 113. So the integer is ano daw na number na, okay, so ano na muna natin, rearrange. Okay, so magiging siyang n is equals to 113. Okay, transpose sa kabila. So, minus 1 is 2n. Okay, so 2n, sorry. So, magiging siyang 2n is equals to 112. Okay, so n is equals to 112. Okay, divide by 2. So, n is 56. Okay, so n, may n na tayo. So, ang n plus 1 is equals to 56 plus 1. So, this is 57. So, the two integers is 56 and 57. Ito yung answer, guys. Okay? So, we'll upload again another video, algebra videos. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. See you on my other videos.